Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Morant Bay and we are driving over the Morant Bay Bridge, massive bridge in Jamaica. Now the government plans to build or upgrade 55 bridges in Jamaica. It's a massive project. And they are going to be using one of the largest contractors in the world, Lagan Aviation. Now they are an expert and one of the top contractors when it comes on to building runways and airports, but they also do bridges. So although you have China Harbour Engineering Company working in Jamaica, which is a Chinese firm, we still have other international contractors, some of the largest in the world, working in Jamaica. This company, Lagan Aviation, actually did the extension of the runway at the Sangster International Airport, and they were one of the 5 international companies shortlisted for the Spark program. And they were selected earlier this year to be the lead contractor or the main contractor for the building of the 55 bridges in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this company. Lagan Aviation and Infrastructure, a division of Lagan Specialist Contracting Group, is a world-class civil engineering firm with an impressive global footprint and a strong commitment to delivering high-quality, resilient infrastructure solutions. Headquartered in the United Kingdom, the company has more than 30 years of experience in airport and airfield construction, general infrastructure development, and civil works across Europe, the Caribbean, the Middle East, and Africa. Their entry into Jamaica marks a deepening of their presence in the Caribbean and a strategic commitment to partnering with governments and communities on our critical development projects. The firm is recognized internationally for its ability to execute complex aviation and infrastructure works, from runway extensions and taxiways to modular bridge systems and shoreline protection. With a core team of engineers, logistics specialists, and project managers, Lagan Aviation brings not just technical capacity, but also a reputation for timely and cost-effective delivery. The company's ability to manage large-scale projects and its strategic alliance with local firms have earned it a trusted name in multiple regions undergoing infrastructure transformation. In Jamaica, Lagan Aviation made headlines with its successful execution of the Sangster International Airport runway extension project in Montego Bay. This project, valued at approximately US $34 million, was a key component of a broader US $70 million airport upgrade led by MBJ Airports Limited and the Airports Authority of Jamaica. The runway was extended by 408 meters, allowing for larger aircraft landings and increased international air traffic. The work included realignment of taxiways, installation of runway and safety areas, shoreline stabilization, and construction of access roads. Lagan Aviation partnered with S&G Road Surfacing Materials Limited, demonstrating their strategy of working closely with local contractors to foster skill transfer and job creation. Looking ahead, Lagan Aviation is poised to play an even more transformative role in Jamaica's infrastructure landscape. In early 2025, the company was awarded the lead contract in the Accelerated Bridge Program, a UK-Jamaica partnership backed by UK Export Finance. Under this program, 55 modular bridges are to be constructed across the island. These bridges are expected to replace or reinforce aging infrastructure in both rural and urban areas, improving transportation safety and disaster resilience. The project will prioritize climate-smart construction, essential in an era where most frequent storms and flooding events pose growing risks to Jamaica's transport network. The bridge initiative is particularly significant because it focuses not only on physical infrastructure but also on social connectivity. Lagan Aviation infrastructure is not just building runways and bridges in Jamaica, it is helping lay the foundation for a stronger, more resilient future. With a balance of global experience and local engagement, the company exemplifies the kind of forward thinking engineering Jamaica needs as it continues to modernize its infrastructure and expand its regional leadership in transport, logistics, and tourism. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.